Hello students, welcome to SOURAV sir's classes. The question is, Ram, Shyam and Hari went for a 100-kilometer journey. Ram and Hari started the journey in Ram's car at the rate of 25 kilometers per hour, while Shyam walked at 5 kilometers per hour. After some time, Hari got off and started walking at the rate of 5 kilometers per hour, and Ram went back to pick up Shyam. All three reached the destination simultaneously. What was the number of hours required for the trip? So let this be the trip, and let us label these points as A, B, C and D. Let this be X, this be Y, and this be Z. Now, since the time taken by Ram to cover X plus Y at the speed of 25 kilometers per hour is same as the time taken by Shyam to cover X at speed of 5 kilometers per hour. Therefore, X plus Y plus Y by 25 is equal to X by 5. And from here we get Y is equal to 2X. Similarly, the time taken by Ram to cover X plus Y plus Z at the speed of 25 kilometers per hour is the same as the time taken by Hari to cover Z at the speed of 5 kilometers per hour. So Y plus Z by 25 is equal to Z by 5. From here we get Y is equal to 2Z. So we have Y is equal to 2X is equal to 2Z, or X is to Y is to Z is equal to 1 is to 2 is to 1. So it implies that X is equal to 25 kilometers, Y is equal to 50 kilometers, and Z is equal to 25 kilometers. Thus, the required time is X plus Y plus Y plus Y plus Z by 25, that is 200 by 25 is equal to 8 hours. The next question is, the first n natural numbers 1 to n have to be arranged in a row from left to right. The n numbers are arranged such that there are an odd number of numbers between any two even numbers, as well as between any two odd numbers. If the number of ways in which this can be done is 72, then find the value of n. Now, if there are an odd number of numbers between any two numbers, the two numbers occupy positions of the same parity, that is, both are in even places or both are in odd places. Now, there are an odd number of numbers between any two even numbers as well as between any two odd numbers, that is, the even numbers occupy the even positions and the odd numbers occupy the odd positions or vice versa. Now if n is equal to 6, this can be done in 3 factorial ways. 3 factorial into 3 factorial plus 3 factorial into 3 factorial, that is equal to 72 ways. So for other values of n, this is not 72. Therefore the correct option is option A.